Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8, which is a diesel in Santorini Black. This car has previously had only one owner, and you do also have 2 keys, which is great to have a spare in case you lose one. Now, as you can see, you have 21-inch alloys, light silver diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate, which is great if you ever have your hands full, along with an electrically deployable tow bar and keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have a 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for children, and executive rear class seating, making the journeys a luxury for every passenger. And going into the front of the car, you have illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior, which is easier to clean. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. You also have a 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. You also have a sat-nav, which is great if you aren't familiar with a lot of areas. A 360-degree camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled 24-way front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. And they are also massage, which is a nice luxury to have. All the seats in the car are memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle or in and out. And you do also have a Meridian sound system, which just adds to the luxury journey. This car is done at 7,935 miles, and stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.